Hello everyone, myself Chani Singla and my trade is CD, that is Computer Science batch 2020,
Myself, Divyansh Raj. I am from CPV 2020, that is Electronics and Communication Engineering.
and we both are members of Personas Light, and the topic of our today's debate is that should schools be opened these days or not, and I am in favor of the motion.
And I am against this.
So I would like to start our debate by saying that education is very important for students. As now the education is going in online mode, so I think it's not a fair way of education. In this, some students are studying and some students are not studying. In this, for teachers, it's a great difficulty to think that whether the students are studying or not. So that I think that it's not a good practice that education is going in online mode. It would affect students' health also, that it's not easy to spend more time just sitting in front of phone. So and also parents can also not say them anything because they are just doing study. So I think it's not a good practice in online mode, and it will affect students' mental as well as physical health a lot. So I think schools should be opened these days, but only with proper safety measures.
As we can see, that every new month a new variant of Corona is coming out. A new variant named Omicron has come out, and it is spreading in India also. And we are not even aware of how we are going to deal with this new variant. WHO is also confused as of right now. And what I think is, uh, studying should be in online mode, but but we should use technology in a way that it helps us, and students get 100% out of it.
Okay, you said about technology, but it is also about students' health, and also you yourself aware of the exams, how exams are given. As we have many applications by which we can do cheating, and we have also have many modes. For example, we can open notes at our side, and the teacher will be not aware of that what student is doing. According to them, the student is simply writing their exam, but actually what student is doing, that student their self know. So I think it's not a good practice in online mode. So schools should be opened for better
Uh,
education.
as you told about, as you tell about uh, health, educate like mental health and physical health of the students that is getting affected due to online mode. I think in the offline mode, their lives are at stake, and like lives are obviously more important than studying. As of right now, the situation says that we don't have this option of going into physical mode. We have to deal with it within online mode. Yeah, even if the precautions are taken, or a new scheme like, or a new thing like odd even is done, then we can think of doing it. So would you like to explain about odd even scheme?
Yes, I would say that in odd even it would be a better way. For example, some student will visit the school. Let's take Mondays, that some students will visit school on Monday and the other will attend the online class on the same day. And the next day, other students will visit the school, and the which students visited on Monday, they will study in online mode. So I think this would be a good practice, and students will also consecutively visit the school, and they will also have fear that the teacher will give them punishment, or the teacher will scold them that why they don't study. So in this, the student will also study in a proper way.
Yeah, what I think is a little flaw in this scheme is that students will go to the school for at least 10 days, 10 to 15 days a week. That is a big risk, because a student going 15 days outside their homes and being with other students is a risk. What I think can be done is, to school should be open for 7 days a week, even on Sundays for 2 to 3 hours, in which students can collect their doubts and go to the teacher and and ask them to solve them. And there can be weekly tests, whether let it be online or offline, which can help them evaluate themselves. It would be more preferable that they will be offline. And as of
Okay, I
exams are
totally
concerned,
agree with your these points. So I think that you said that the school should be opened all the 7 days just for doubt classes. So I think this would create difficulty for teachers. For example, some students will visit on Monday, some will visit Tuesday, and not even a single student visited the school on Wednesday. So I think this would be a messy for teachers to attend the students just for one kid one day and the next other day. So I think the school administration should give a setup to students that the school should be open for 2 days a week, and that proper time will be given to them in which they can visit the school and clear their all doubts. So I think this would be a better way for education. And the students would be told that your exams will be taken in offline mode only, but only with the proper safety measures. So study there better and give their best in exam.
So yeah, I have totally agree with your point that school should be open for 2 days a week for doubt sessions in which students can collect their weekly doubts and ask them at the end of the week or whenever the school decides to take the weekly doubt sessions. And as of the exams, the school should be exams should be in a way that that half batch will give the exam now in offline mode and half batch will give it online mode consecutively. So I think we have a conclusion now. I would like Chandni to conclude what we have reached.
Yes, so we both reached a conclusion that schools should be opened 2 days for a week, and the school administration would provide a proper time to students in which they can visit their schools and clear all their weekly doubts. And the students should be told that your exams will be taken in offline mode only, so study properly and give their best and take all the proper safety measures as corona is still going on. It's not end. So proper take proper safety measures and give proper exam and gain good marks.
Thank you everyone for listening us. Thank you.